HYT 5-1 and host crimper. Its crimping range is 1/4 to include 10 sets dies. Let us learn the machine detail. Pressure gauge, close dies button, open dies button. These two buttons are used to set the dies closing size. These two buttons are used to set the dies opening size. This is emergency button. This is turn on mode. This is close dies button. These are mode keys. Mode is choose running mode. First button is point movement mode. It means push it the dies running. When we release button, the dies stop running. Whether open or close dies mode. Let us demonstrate it firstly. Turn on motor, and then push mode button. Let first mode light is on. And then push close dies button. Push it the dies running, release it the dies stop. Open dies is same that. Second mode is half cycle mode. It means auto crimp to set size. For example, we set the size 1.0. Close die size we often don't need to set it. We choose second mode, let the second light 2 on. And then we push running button. We recommend push this button, because another button is fragiler than this button. And this part is easy to replace with new ones. We push it once, the dies will run until we set its size. When the dies run to set its size, it will auto open. This is a crimp half cycle mode. Third is full automatic mode. It means automatic running close and open, and it will still run until we push stop button. We often use it for some multitudinous hose assembly. This function needs us to set crimp size, but it will full open first. For example, if the die is at middle side, we should push open dies button to full open the dies. We designed this to prevent workers from being pinched. So if we use the fully automatic function, we need to pay special attention to safety. It saves time and improves work efficiency. Ideal for use in high-volume workshops. If we use this function, we should be ready assembled hose with fitting. Now, we can operate full automatic function. We can see in the video that the mode is running. When it crimps to set its size, the dies will automatically full open, and then it will automatically run the next crimping stroke until you stop it or give it or other instructions. First mode is foot switch. It means we use foot switch to close the dies. We should set crimp size first, and then we step down with your foot. The dies will close. When it running to set its size, the dies will stop and open. This mode is semi-auto. When the dies full open, we should step down foot switch again. Fifth mode is timer mode. It means keep some time stand. For example, we set 3 seconds, it will save 3 as stand. Okay, let us look at the dies how to running. At here, it keeps 3 as stand. Last mode is quick change dies function. If the machine includes quick change dies,